Hello everybody, my name is Rodolfo and I'm studying to get my next license in the boiler industry. Today I will have a few questions for you guys and my best answer. I hope you guys like this video, share with friends, and any questions please, my email will be down below the description. So first question, what effect does high excess air have on superheat temperature? How about ash build up on furnace wall and build up in superheater? What effect does high excess air have on the superheat temperature? What about ash build up on the furnace wall and build up in superheater? So, high excess air, okay, increase superheater temperature, okay? When ash build up on furnace wall, that will increase the superheater temperature. When ash build up on the superheater, that will decrease the superheated temperature. What efficiency gain is realized by using economizer and air preheater? So, when you use economizer, okay, when you add 10 degrees Fahrenheit to the water, you gain 1% efficiency on the boiler, okay? When you add 40 degrees in air using air preheater, you gain another 1% efficiency. Okay, so for every 10 to 12 degrees on the water that you add, you gain 1% for every 10. And for air preheaters, every 40 degrees Fahrenheit that you add on the air, you gain 1%. Explain how would you justify the installation of a air preheater. So if you have a boiler producing more than 1000 boiler horsepower, the air preheater will start to add more efficiency to your boiler, okay? If your boiler, if you already use fan, draft fan, induced draft, okay, you can gain more efficiency, okay? If you have a high temperature stack, okay, you can reduce that stack temperature and gain more efficiency. But please, you need to consider the dew point, okay, and sulfur content on the fuel that you're burning, okay? That air preheater will add some maintenance, okay, for the team. And after all these calculations, you can put together a project for the benefits of adding the air preheater. Explain the terms parallel flow and counterflow. So you're gonna find these on heat exchanger and condensers, okay? So parallel flow is when both fluids, okay, go in the same direction, okay? So the steam flowing through the heat exchanger or condenser and the water to cool off goes on the same direction, okay? They don't get in contact because the water goes through the tubes, okay? But on the same flow. And the counterflow is when they go in opposite directions. So let's say the steam comes down here, up here, and down, and the water is gonna come this way, and they're gonna meet in the middle. So that's counterflow and parallel flow. Okay. Next question. When are two main stop valve required? So two main steam stop valve is required in boilers that is equipped with a manhole, okay, and is connected in battery with the other boilers on the same header. Okay, when are two main steam stop valves required? Two main steam stop valves are required whenever a boiler is equipped with a manhole and is connected to a common header with other boilers in battery. Name two ways to test low water cutout. Name two ways to test low water cutout. So first way to test is blowing down the water column, okay? And the second test is slowly drain your boiler. We call that the evaporation test, okay? So name two ways to test the low water cutout. So the low water cutout can be tested by blowing down the water column or by performing a slow drain evaporation test. How many low water cutouts are required on high pressure steam boilers? How many low water cutout are required on high pressure steam boilers? Since I live in Massachusetts, okay, the 522 CMR 16.01 paragraph 4 say that require that two low water cutouts are required on high pressure boilers. Okay, how many low water cutouts are required on high pressure steam boilers? Two low water cutoff are required on high pressure boilers per 522 CMR 16.01 paragraph 4. What's the maximum and minimum pipe size for boiler blowdown? What's the maximum size for the pipe for the boiler blowdown and the minimum? So the maximum is 2.5 inches and the minimum 1 inch. Okay. What's the minimum pipe size to low water? What's the minimum pipe size for water column? What's the minimum pipe size to water column? 1 inch. I hope you guys like it. And I see you guys tomorrow on the next video.